Well, Maggie, shares in Groupon are soaring this session after the Daily Deals company posted record results in the U.S. It offers a big boost for Groupon, which has seen its stock rising over the past 9 months. Let's go to Maribel Aber live at the NASDAQ. But Maribel, before we get to Groupon, Maggie and I are scratching our heads about what was going on with that snowmobiler at the NASDAQ just a couple of minutes ago.
Yeah, the NASDAQ did this huge, they call it remote opening bells, right outside in Times Square. This was to celebrate an IPO that's happening today from Fox Factory. They make parts of snowmobiles. So who you saw was Levi Lavelle. Apparently he's a world record holder. Go up there, ski down or snowboard down or take the mobile down. But the cool thing that you guys missed after all that, the executives of the company, you saw the big slope. They all ran up the slope, okay? Some guy almost fell down, but picking up speed to just get on that snowmobile. It was the darndest thing. It was amazing. One of the most interesting, I think, opening bells, remote opening bells that I've seen NASDAQ perform so far. But again, the company was Fox Factory, and Larry Enterlin was the CEO who rang the bell. There you go on that one.
Okay, so snowmobiling in August. Go figure. Okay, let's move on to Groupon. What's going on with Groupon?
Well, you know, a big boost for Groupon. The company reported better than expected quarterly sales. Groupon saying it had the strongest quarter ever in North America. Groupon says the strong quarter was due in part to a 30% increase in the total value of purchases of goods and services made by customers in North America. So the deal site also performed well in mobile. Nearly 50% of North American transactions were completed on mobile devices in June, and that was up from 30% during the same month last year. The company said it lost $7.6 million in the quarter, but excluding one-time charges, you know, Groupon said it earned 2 cents a share. That was in line with the median forecast of analysts, and Groupon shares are up almost 80% so far this year, but they have lost nearly a third of their value since November of 2012 when the company announced dismal quarterly earnings. Let's go ahead and take a look how Groupon is doing today, and it is up 25%, $10.90 there. You know, Pauline, we've seen Facebook stage a big comeback lately, so maybe Groupon is on the way.
Yeah, we've seen some tech shares doing quite well recently. All right, on the NASDAQ. Okay, thanks so much, Maribel. So, Maggie, there you go. Mystery solved about that guy in that snowmobile.